Hello there. Okay, now let me show you. Once you log into your admin dashboard using the link and the email address or the username and password I sent to you, this is where it will take you to. This is your admin dashboard. Whatever you do here is what will appear on the front end. This is the front end of your website. The front end is what people will see when they come to your site. Then the back end, which is the dashboard, is what the admin, which is you, will see. So for example, if you make a post on your admin, then it will appear here. So for you to make a post, when you log in on your admin dashboard, you will see this tab that says post. This all post, if you click on this all post, it's going to show you all the posts you have made on your website. If you want to add new posts, you click here. Categories, like when you send me the link of Sharia report, you said they have news, they have politics, they have that is categories. This is where you can create categories. So when I want to create a new post, you click on add new. So there are two ways you can create a new post. It's that you come to this post and click add new, or you locate on this top of this arrow, you see this plus sign new. If you want to create a new page, you click on the page. If you want to create a new post, which is a new blog, you click on post. If you want to create a new topic or new reply based on forum, then you click on that arrow. Okay, so after that, it's going to send you to a page where you will put the title of your post, where you put the content and the image you want to use on your post. So the network is kind of disturbing here. Normally, it's supposed to have opened a page where you will see where to put the messages and your content. So let's see if we can wait for the network to come up, or otherwise. Now, you said you want your sister picture to show, so I don't really know the area where you want your sister picture to show on this website. This is your picture. I'm waiting for the about information. That is where I'm going to replace this message you're seeing here. So try to send me the about information for me to complete this section. That's how it works. So this network is down and I have some other things doing here. So what you have to do now, follow my direction the way I direct you from the post. Click add new post, then you will play around with the screen. Then you will see where to put the content, the title, and at the right hand side of the screen you will see where to select the categories and the pictures you need. So maybe I will up this video here because of this network is down. Thanks for watching.